every one of you a small introduction of your managing director. And what is his name, ladies and gentlemen? जमी नहीं यार मुझे थोड़ी और एनर्जी के साथ सभी एक साथ क्या बात है एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट मिस्टर राजेश केवल उनकी लाइफ के जर्नी के बारे में छोटा सा इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आप सभी को देना चाहूंगी जो आप लोग शायद नहीं जानते होंगे आप लोगों को नहीं पता होगा यू गाइस डोंट नो इन एंड आउट अबाउट हिम हिज लाइफ जर्नी सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ स्मॉल ब्रीफ एंड स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन दैट हाउ दिस मैन फ्रॉम हियर he reached here. So let's clap for him, everyone. Huge big round of applause. क्या बात है चलिए our MD is one such inspirational leader. He has always been a warrior who fights all his battle with open arms. He never shies away from any challenge but rather inspires others to face the challenge with a smile on their face. Looking at his journey, थोड़ी शांति प्लीज थोड़ी शांति अहम ब्रह्मास्मि शांति क्या बात ओके लुकिंग एट हिज जर्नी वन कैन टेक इंस्पिरेशनल टू फाइट फॉर व्हाट वन बिलीव्स इन नो मैटर वन no one should always be ready to face any challenge that is thrown to them as per him हर लाइफ की हर सीढ़ी पे आप सभी को रेडी रहना चाहिए टू टेक चैलेंज बिकॉज नहीं पता चैलेंज कब आपका दरवाजा खटखटाए इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं इसको knock the door, right. Our MD has always motivated us through his actions and his journey inspires us to work hard for ourselves. His journey is no less ordinary and sounds just like Hindi movie. Okay, but unlike the romanticized version of the movies, he has had to struggle to reach where he is today. कहा जाता ना without struggle, you cannot reach the top level. जैसा एक सीढ़ी में होती है एक लैडर में होती है यू नीड टू टेक स्टेप बाय स्टेप एवरी मूव ही हैज अ वेरी हम्बल बैकग्राउंड एज यू ऑलरेडी नो हिम एंड हैज ऑलवेज रिमेन ट्रू टू इट मिस्टर राजेश वाज बोर्न वेयर वाज ही बोर्न लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन एनी आइडिया वेयर वाज ही बोर्न जो बता पाएगा उसको इनाम मेरी तरफ से whoever knows the answer come here to the stage you need to run and come to the stage दौड़ के आना होगा यहाँ पे see I'm on heels okay I can't run towards you guys अरे आओ दौड़ के आओ this day is for you guys don't be scared of your assistant manager of your managers of your AGM of your GM and especially the boss आज डरना नहीं है leave your work back at work है ना किनको पता है please आ जाए if you don't understand Hindi I can say it in English who knows any guesses আরে চেঁচালে হবে ওখান থেকে এইদিকে আসতে হবে তো কোথায় কে যাচ্ছে দৌড়ে দৌড়ে আসতে হবে দৌড়ে ভাগ মিলখা भाग क्या बात एक माइक इनको दे दे जरा जोरों की तालियां होनी चाहिए इनके लिए he had the guts to come here and yes sir
दिनहाटा
कहाँ
दिनहाटा
हाँ दीनघाटा वो कहाँ पे है
उत्तर बंग
हाँ
नॉर्थ बंगाल
श्योर
आई थिंक सो
नॉट श्योर तो इनको गिफ्ट दिया जाए कि नहीं दिया जाए ना ओके कैन आई हैव दीनहाटा इज द करेक्ट आंसर बट दैट इज इन कूच बिहार यस नाउ यू नो राइट नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेनेवर आई कम एंड होस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू गिव द करेक्ट आंसर है ना ये हमारी तरफ से आपके लिए क्या बात एंड he has completed his schooling at Station Para, Saranaharthi's High School. He got his BCA from IGNOU. Let me tell you, I also completed my graduations from IGNOU. Yes, English honors. And a degree in Masters of Computer Application from Punjab Technical University. He started working as an RTI activist during his college days. His passion for serving society stated at an early age and all he has done is centered around it. His passion for knowledge knows no bound and he has never stopped learning. Learning has no limitations, no age. Shikhar kono shesh nahi. He has always tried to learn new ways in which he could contribute to the progress of society. Before beginning his journey with Fast Info, you all should hear this very carefully. Before beginning his journey with Fast Info, he ventured into various employment opportunities. He started his career as a marketing executive in the year 2008 with a salary of, any guesses, very minimum amount of salary. Kya? 2000, correct. 2000 in Lalani Computer Academy. Overall, he has 12 years of corporate experience through Brainware Computer Academy. First Source Solution Limited, assistant computer teacher at Brahmanir Chowki High School. It was after this that he joined the leading education sectors like Educom Solutions Limited, Persons India Education Services Private Limited, followed by Oxford. Life shows its true picture when a person falls down and needs support to move ahead. He believes that pain can only be understood when the life grasp has fallen downwards. The biggest setback in his life came when he lost everything that he has worked hard for throughout his life. In this year, 2017, he took a hit as he fought for his love. Anyone has fought for their love out here? Anyone? Raise your hands now, whoever has fought for their love. Even if you have, you're not going to say na, because sir is sitting here. Okay. The small town entrepreneur has had to lose his job, assets, belongings and money, and had to fight with a lot of other things for the sake of love. He was shaken by what hit him, and he had to forsake everything he had to protect his love. He had to leave behind his settled life in the fight for love. Even after such an eventful phase in his life, he did not lose any hope, his confidence and willpower. He took a fresh start and worked hard to build a company that brings turnover in crores. That's the reason you guys get salary, right? So let's all clap for him. That's the reason I'm here. And I'm going to get paid for being here, because his turnover is not in lakhs but in crores. As I said that he made his own path through the harsh relatives of life and has come out in the order side with a stronger self. Even after a huge success, he never forgets to appreciate the people who stood by him in those tough times. All these provide him with the necessary qualities that he brought in his own company, Fast Info. He has built a company that strives to achieve the best possible results and not get defeated easily. His work ethic has inspired his workforce, who are lucky to have a leader in Rajesh Kewat. Are you guys lucky to have him as a boss? Yes? I can just hear from few people, yes. Are you lucky guys? So let me hear a big yes, everyone! Kya baat hai. He is not someone who orders his employees, but rather takes the time and effort to work together to achieve the result. It is this time that has made Fast Info grow exponentially without such a short span of time. Okay, first of all, I think I'm reading a history of Sir. I would just like to know that this company is just a 2 years old company, if I'm not wrong. And in this 2 years, I think this company has grown and has taken its peak to the Mount Everest, hasn't it? Who all agrees with me? Who all? बस इतने ही, बाद बाकी क्या समझ में नहीं आ रही है. अगर आपको लग रही है कि ये कंपनी अपना पीक ले चुकी है माउंट एवरेस्ट की तरह, तो सारे के सारे को तालियां बजानी होगी, जिन्हें जिन्हें लगती है ये, बस only people who believe this. क्या बात? Well, our MD is one such innovative small town entrepreneur who has worked hard to reach where he has today, as we all know. With the world revolving around technology, it has become necessary to embrace the culture to progress ahead. He has built an online platform that is a one-stop solution for all legal and professional services. He provides various services under different brands under the mother company, Fast Info Legal Services Private Limited. As we all know that Sir was a small town individual with the dreams of reaching the sky as the limit. He strives to achieve what he had dreamt of and is now the managing director of a company founded by him which brings in turnover in crores. He is the founder of one of the leading online business sector. His ideology is one of the base elements of the company where willpower and confidence in oneself are enough to achieve one's dream. The entrepreneurial journey of our MD, Mr. Rajesh Kewat, are eventful in nature as to what he has gone through. As we said, he lost his job, asset and all his money only to save his loved one. But sir, I will definitely want to know more in details about your love life because it's not mentioned and I don't know. मैं definitely जानना चाहूँगी and ये भी पता है मुझे कि आपके जो यहाँ पे at the end you are the principal of this company. They are all your students, है ना? आपके छात्र जो है उनको भी definitely जानना है about your love life. Isn't it, guys? You are interested in knowing about this or not? That how he fought and how he stood in his leg and how he is here today as your managing director. क्या बात? This unknown storm has left him with no belongings, but he was not yet completely broken. All the hardship he faced made him a stronger man. He decided to do what was necessary to never see such a day again. He worked hard to make a brighter future for himself and the people around him. The story of our MD Rajesh Kewat, a simple man from the small town of Dinhata, West Bengal, might seem a little run-of-the-mill rag to riches story, but it is much more. It is a story of hard-working man who has managed to turn around his fortunes. He has decided his life to help those around him.